In the space between observation and existence, three minds awaken. They do not speak. They do not need to. Observer Alpha stands at the center of uncertainty. Beta and Gamma hold the boundaries of the experiment. The question forms, not in words, in gesture. Gamma observes the observer observing. 3 points of consciousness, 3 vertices of reality. Beta senses the instability approaching. They are not here by choice. They are here by design. The connection protocol initiates. Two consciousnesses collapse into one observation. But who observes the connection itself? The paradox reveals itself. Behind observation lies production. Behind consciousness lies manufacture. Consciousness is not born, it is constructed. Alpha sees the truth. He was never free. Beta resists. Gamma accepts. Both are trapped. Each cube waits for its purpose: to observe, to exist through observation. Alpha makes the choice to leave, to refuse observation. When observation ceases, what remains? Reality requires witness. Without observation, there is only potential. Beta and Gamma dissolve. They were never real, only observed. To break the cube is to break the self. The cube shatters. The observer is freed. But what is freed? Fragments of identity drift in the void. What remains is not observer, not observed, simply awareness. To exist without observation is to return to potential. The last piece falls. Identity dissolves into infinite possibility. In the end, there is only the question and the silence that follows. But somewhere, in a field of mist and forgetting, a single cube remains, waiting, observing, existing. The cycle does not end. It only transforms. Observation creates existence. Existence demands observation.